Stop letting your database cost you money. Every second a query drags, a customer leaves, and a competitor wins. Your system should be handling traffic effortlessly, but instead it's crawling under load, locking up at the worst moments, and silently bleeding revenue. If you don't fix this, you're handing your competition free sales. What if databases were stuck in the past? Imagine a world where databases never improved. No smarter query optimization, no online schema changes, no efficient storage handling. Now, drop yourself into a high-stakes scenario. It's Black Friday and your e-commerce store is swarmed with customers. But instead of record-breaking sales, you're drowning in slow queries, checkout failures, and angry customer complaints. And just wait until you see what your competitors are doing. It's midnight. Traffic is spiking. Your marketing worked. Customers are filling their carts. Then disaster strikes. Your database can't handle the load. Queries slow down. Customers hit checkout and it just stalls. Some transactions never complete, leaving customers wondering if they got charged. Others have just abandoned their carts, furious, taking their money somewhere else. You scramble to fix it. You restart services. You tweak indexes. Throw more hardware at it. But it's too late. The damage is done. Meanwhile, across the street, your competitor is celebrating their best Black Friday ever. Orders flowing in, zero downtime, customers raving about the seamless experience. What's their secret? Their database is optimized. Queries execute in milliseconds. Schema changes happen without locking tables. Storage is efficient, making sure for a smooth performance. They're probably using MariaDB 11.4 or later. And you? You're stuck in the past. In part 3, let's break down exactly how MariaDB 11.4 fixes this nightmare. These aren't just small tweaks. They change how businesses operate. Faster queries means more sales. Query execution time drops up to 20%. Making sure customers complete their purchases smoothly. Non-blocking schema changes means zero downtime. Need to adjust your database mid-sale? Now you can, without killing your site. Improve storage efficiency means stability under heavy load. Data handling is optimized, so your system doesn't choke when traffic surges. If you've ever lost sales because your site buckled under pressure, MariaDB 11.4 is your insurance policy against disaster. Now here's the real question. What if you could take this even further? Maria 11.4 already delivers massive improvements on its own. But if you're serious about scaling, adding max scale lets you build a database farm that can handle even the most extreme workloads. With query routing, load balancing, and failover automation, it ensures your system runs at peak efficiency, no matter how much traffic you throw at it. But even without max scale, the numbers speak for themselves. Query execution time reduced by 15 to 20%, meaning faster response times under heavy load. Schema changes now happen without downtime, preventing lost revenue during critical updates. Storage efficiency improved by 15%, reducing resource consumption and boosting performance. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the difference between breaking sales record and breaking your business.